Hello guys, today we prepare a croissant, the real one, the one homemade. Naturally, I will test them drinking Italian coffee. I put already the mocha on the fire. So see you later to test them, but now let's see the intro. Okay, don't worry, now I explain to you how you can prepare the dough. So, you need 300 grams of butter to make the pastry very crispy. The dough, yesterday evening, so before going to sleep, I prepared the dough. For the dough you need first to prepare the starter. For the starter you need 170 grams of flour, the strong one, in English they say this, we call it Manitoba, 1 teaspoon of yeast, the one for the bread, the dry yeast, and 80 ml of milk. So you melt the yeast in the milk, and after you work with the flour and you prepare the starter. You cover and you should wait 30 minutes. After you need 330 grams of flour, the same flour that we have used in the beginning, 100 ml of milk, 75 grams of sugar and 100 grams of eggs. 1 teaspoon of orange jam, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, 120 grams of butter and 10 grams of salt. But now the butter and the salt we put apart. We work this ingredient with the starter. When the dough is well done, you add 10 grams of salt, again when the dough take all the salt, you will add 120 grams of butter, but the butter, like you saw before, I cut in pieces and I leave outside at room temperature. Not too much if no melt. After you add the butter 1 or 2 pieces each time. So you put 1 or 2 pieces, you work the dough and after you go ahead like this until the butter is finished and the dough is complete. You see, the dough should be very elastic. After you cover with a plastic wrap, if not on the surface will become dry, and after you put in the fridge. After 12 hours in the fridge, so in the morning, your dough is ready and you have all the ingredients cold. That is very important. So now you take your stick and your baking paper. I will use the one in silicone. You put here you put the butter in the middle and you go and smash the butter. You should smash until the butter is more or less half or 1 centimeter. Keep trying to keep the square shape. And after we smash the dough and we put the butter inside, but I'll show you. Like I said before, the problem is the hot, because the butter starts to melt. So now I close the dough, I smash a little bit and I put in the fridge, because in my case it's already too soft. If your one is not soft, you can smash better the dough and put in the fridge also. Cover it with a plastic wrap, we put in the fridge for 30 minutes. Okay, now we smash our dough for the last time. We should smash until it will be 3 mm or 5 mm, more or less. After, with a sharp knife, we cut a triangle that the base should be the double of the height. I don't know in English, probably is wrong. So we'll do 9 cm for 18 cm. And after I will fill only two, one with the cream, one with the chocolate cream, only to show how you can make it, because it's better to make empty. And after, when you have already cooked them, you can fill what do you want, what do you like. Also because you can fill with salty stuff, like the salmon, like the pancetta, the prosciutto, the ham, and so on, the cheese, what do you like it. So, let's go ahead. You take the extremity and you roll the dough. Keep attention to keep the filling inside. And voila, your brioche is ready. I hope to remember that the one filling inside with the cream and the chocolate is these two near the top. Will be easy because this one there will be in this side there is only one. Okay, perfect. So now we should wait 60 minutes because they will grow, and after I will show you how to brush them with one yolk and 30 ml of milk, but I'll show you later. After 1 hour we take one yolk and 30 ml of milk, we whip everything together, and after we brush our croissant. In this way they will become gold. And after we put in the oven preheated at 170 Celsius degree for more or less 15 minutes. After 15 minutes at 170 Celsius degree, our croissants are baked. Now, if you want, you can eat like this. You can stuff them, so it's up to you. If you want them shiny, you can take 15 grams of icing sugar plus 15 ml of water. And with a brush, you brush them. I will brush only 5, 2 or 3. I will keep without sugar because I will fill with the pancetta, with the cheese, or with the pork loin that I have already posted the video. Mamma mia che buono, spettacolare. Let's try with the coffee. With the coffee they are perfect. Okay guys, for this recipe we need to reach 1 million of visual and 1 million of I like it. So please share this video with all your friends. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, or here on the top, the yellow one, or here in the bottom, the small one. Here you will find other kind of brioche, pan au chocolat and so on, because I have already prepared. Now I will build the video and after I will post it. Okay guys, see you next time. Please add the channel to grow. Bye bye.